fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing for you guys. This is a new artist over at Diamond Painting Shoppe. The owner contacted me and wanted to know if I was interested in sharing some canvases, and I of course said yes. If you guys remember, my Muka that I did was by Diamond Painting Shoppe, and I have several of her other canvases as well. She's got some new artists, so yeah, let's just dig in. I'll share as we go. So we've got a little bag of goodies here. We've got, what have we got here? We've got some candy. We've got a couple of things of washi tape. That's a pretty floral and some pretty circular ones. Like both of those. And then that might actually be, we'll see how the colors go with this one. And then we've got the thank you card, and then we've got, oh, look at this, a cute little squirrel and a diamond sticker. Okay, so that's our goodie bag. Now we need to get into the kit. So I am going to cut the plastic off of this and open the box, and we'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our soft link canvas here. It does have the scalloped edges. It's poured glue. She has resin drills now. When I did my Muka, they were acrylic drills, but she's now switched over to resin drills. And I don't actually remember if this one is square or round. I guess I'll find out. All right, I'm gonna let the canvas relax for a few minutes while we look at everything else. So we of course have our drills here. Oh, it is square. For those of you who like to work from baggies, it's already good to go. I'll still kit mine up. We've got our toolkit here. So let's see what we get in our toolkit. So pretty standard toolkit. We've got our little boat here. We've got some blue wax. We've got our pen. We've got a blue scrunchie. We've got a 4-placer and a 7-placer. And then we've got some nice sharp pokey tweezers. So pretty standard toolkit. Then we've got our stickers here. I'm pretty sure these are stickers, even though it doesn't say. And we've got our image here. It's called A Colorful Soul Dancing Through Life. And I think the name they use is the Finara. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but so there's the image I can put in my logbook. And then we've got all of our stickers over here for our containers. 62 colors along with 4 ABs. So yeah, it looks like it'll be a lot of fun. It's a really nice and colorful. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh yeah. Hopefully, I'm hoping there'll be some nice color blocking in a few places, but then mixed in with some nice confetti. We'll see. And it is only 50 by 50, so it's not a huge canvas. So let me go grab the canvas and we'll take a look at it. And here is the canvas. Now it's not huge, but it's also big enough that I can't quite get everything on the screen. So I'll do a little bit of B-roll so you guys can kind of see, you know, what's what. But we do have our schematic on both sides. Now, like I said, it's only 50 by 50, so the schematic goes all the way to the bottom edges here. But yeah, it's just this nice kind of portrait of the lady, this kind of abstract cloud background, and then, you know, colorful hair. And her little t-shirt is very colorful, tank top. And I was curious to try this because skin is so hard to get right for rendering in colors. So I'm really curious to see how this goes. So we have our schematic on both sides, like I said. We've got our DMC codes, so that's great, along with our 4 ABs. I'll save those till last. Nice, clear canvas. Don't think I'm going to have any problem with any of the symbols. You know, like I said, I've done a diamond painting shop before. My Muka, it was great. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. All right, so let's measure. 50 by 50 is what it says. 19.7 inches by 19.7 inches. So it is, it looks like just a millimeter under 50. So that could be my measuring tape. And this way, it is only 49 and a half. Let me see if I need to straighten this out any. Nope, still 49 and a half. So 50 by 49 and a half looks good. As always, I will stick a link in the description box down below. She's got some new artists, this one and a couple of others so she's got some new paintings coming that you want to check out. This one is listed for $74.95. Now I want to see the drills, so I'm going to go get those. Be right back. Okay, so I've just gotten the drills kind of thrown out here, and they're always so nice and neat when I put them, when they come in the package, and I never get them back in that way. But anyway, all right, let me just grab some and we'll start looking at colors here, because we've got quite a bit to get through. 62 colors. I pulled the ABs and set those aside. We'll do those last. So we've got some lovely, like very pale mint green. We've got like a mulberry color. We've got like a bright peach. We've got like a salmon color, salmon pink. We've got a dark purple. We've got kind of a butterscotch color. We've got kind of a dull peach. And then we have kind of a periwinkle blue. We've got a bright yellow, an orange, a kind of sagey green. We've got a slate blue. We've got a very pale peach. We've got a very dark slate blue. Then we have a kind of a dark salmon color. We've got, of course, our off-white. We've got another peach. We've got a very dark blue, a brick red. We've got another kind of peachy salmon color, a kind of dusky pink, a very dark blue, kind of an orangey peach color, another dark blue. We've got some kind of caramel color there, a very light yellow, a bright peach. I'm dropping everything here. We've got like a kind of dusky coral there. We've got a pink. We've got another kind of peachy orange, a dark red, a pink, a gray. We've got another kind of darker peach, kind of a milk chocolate brown, blush pink, a blue, a very pale blue, another shade of peach, lots of peaches in here, another dark red, a dark purple, another brick red, and we've got two shades, like a very, very dark rose color, and then a very, very kind of pinky, peachy color. Lots of colors in this one. And then we have yet another peach. We've got a dark blue. We've got another like kind of a rose mauve color. Ooh, a very pale mauve. A bright kind of orange coral. A mauve. A yellow. A pale yellow. Kind of a burnt sienna brown. We've got kind of that peachy rose again. We've got a very pale yellow, a very pale mauve, another kind of peach, and a dark blue. Whew, that's a lot of colors. So definitely going to be some confetti in this, only a 50 by 50, and I've got 62 colors, and I haven't even shown you the ABs yet. So let me get all of these put away, and we'll look at the ABs, and then we'll look at the canvas and see where the ABs go. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so we've got 4 ABs in this kit. So we've got this kind of purpley AB. This one is the equal symbol. Where does that one go? So this one goes kind of down here in her clothing. A few spots in her clothing is where this color goes. I'm going to set that off to the side. Then we've got this very pretty kind of bright pink color. And this one, again, some here in her shirt. Trying to see if there's any in her hair or in the sky. Nope, not that I see. Looks to all be in her shirt as well. Okay. Then we've got this orangey yellow AB. And this one, again, kind of down here in her shirt. Maybe there aren't any ABs in the sky. Is it all going to be in her clothing down here? Because I don't see any in the sky for this one either. And then this very dark AB, which is, again, down here in her clothing. There is some of this purple up here in her hair, in this section up here for this particular purple. 4 ABs seems like kind of a lot, but I might actually add some more in because it doesn't seem like there's any other in the background, and that might be okay to let the background kind of fade. I don't want to put any in her skin, but I definitely might look for some extras to put in her hair, and maybe just put them in her hair and not anywhere else, but we'll see. So there you go, guys. That is the unboxing of A Colorful Soul Dancing Through Life from Diamond Painting Shoppe. Like I said, I'm excited to see this one and see how it turns out. Skin tones are always really tricky, both for rendering and then also just sometimes the rendering is okay, I think, but they just pick the wrong colors to make skin tone. But like my Muka turned out really super well. I was very happy with the skin tone of it, hoping that this one will turn out equally as well. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.